Jamaica, my school is pretty. I want the people come and to learn. Amen.
My name is Your Majesty Prince Daniel. Hello, my name is Ashi Sigri, and I love this school so much because it's a very educated school.
We're here at the Haile Selassie High School where we're doing a health fair for the community of Painland, which is the area in which Haile Selassie High School is located.
We've been here at the high school since this morning, just seeing high school students and seeing children of all ages really. Just doing checkups. We are also seeing some adults as well. Physical exams, all the doctors here. We've just been doing the best that we can and seeing as many people as we can, screening them, sending them to Dr. Forbes if they need it. Dentistry as well. She's been doing cleanings and extractions all morning, and we're going to continue the rest of the day.
Greetings, I'm Sister Fanai, Sunlight Selassie with Rastafari TV Network. We're a charitable organization out of South Florida. We are a non-profit organization, a heritage depository. We are here with JAHJAH Foundation, Jamaicans Abroad, helping Jamaicans at home, foundation with Dr. Trevor Dixon and his amazing team doing a free health fair for the Haile Selassie High School to improve health care in public sectors throughout the island. So we are in service to the Haile Selassie High School. Not only are we doing a free health fair, we have free dental, psychiatrists on hand for mental screening, therapists, grief counselors, as well as we have some healthy foods over there, fresh fruits, vegetables. We get the fruits to tell you what to eat to make you healthy, to keep you vital. That raw food is very good for you and what you can do to boost your immune system. We also taught a self-love workshop with Sister Keisha from Florida with Movements for Change. We taught them how to love themselves, how to appreciate themselves. And there's also a workshop called Beautiful Melanin, No Bleaching, which means love yourself the way the Most High made you and that you're perfect just the way you are, and to honor each other and to love each other. So the children had a blast. So right now they're in the back and they're doing a mural on the wall with the tree of life. So each leaf is going to have a positive affirmation. So the wall should be a means of inspiration that when we're gone, they can remember that people care about them and that we'll be back. Not only that, with the help from the Bob Marley Foundation and Sedella Marley, we have a generous donation of garden supplies and medical supplies for the nurses unit. The school is grossly underfunded. Even though it's in Portia Simpson's constituency, it's not getting the funding it needs. And Haile Selassie School is a wonderful landmark because Emperor Haile Selassie built the school with his own funds in the 60s. And now when he got deposed, the school has not been funded. It's grossly underfunded. So we are doing our part to play our role and just show up and do a good job. So we hope that other people can hear and be inspired to rally around Haile Selassie High School and to help the youth in need. This program called EAT, Ecology, Agriculture, Trade, will help to plant a garden to sustain their canteen. And it doubles as a fundraiser that we're going to mentor them and teach them how to run their own business, their own farmers market, and able to raise funds for their scholarship and for the school. So that is it in a nutshell. Healthy eating, healthy living, learn about our heritage and culture, learning to connect God again with nature, farming, going on field trips, live lessons. We've partnered with some farmers in Blue Mountain and Outer Earth Farm in St. Catherine, and we're going to be taking them on field trips as well. So we have a lot planned. We have a 3-year commitment to the school that in 3 years we would like to just transform it to make it a green zone, and not only to plant up Haile Selassie School, but plant up the whole of Painland and make it infectious, We also have a solar expert on hand that came today. She's walking around assessing what it takes to let the school go solar. We would like to set up a rainwater catchment system as well as a greenhouse, so we can do greenhouse farming. And that's it in a nutshell. It's really a kingdom building initiative. It's huge, but with the community take a piece and everyone gets involved, then we could get it done quicker.
I'm Lorenzo Ellis, principal of the Haile Selassie High School, a school just donated by His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I when he visited Jamaica in 1966. The school was opened in 1969. We recognize him as our founder, and we now have 987 students. It's a growing school in terms of student population as well as what we offer in terms of the examination offerings and vocational areas for students. The school is situated at 16 to 24 Payne Avenue in the heart of the Payneland Division, Payneland community. When our founder came here in 1966, he was attracted to this area because of its hosting a large population of persons who were part of the Rastafarian faith. The community is more diverse today. It will be more described as a very low socioeconomic community. We have had our bouts with violence and crime in this area, but the community at different times have come together to work together to ensure that the business of the school goes through. We have a number of challenges based upon the students that we have. While, for example, many students come to us already socialized in violence, it therefore means that we have to do a lot in terms of improving the security, safety, and well-being of the school. And for that reason, we have to do more to ensure that it's a health-promoting school, that we do all necessary to ensure the safety and security of our students here. We recognize the various agencies that have come together to have this health fair today. The JAHJAH Foundation, Rastafari TV, and others. It is very timely because our students need interventions like these and others. Also, our teachers and members of the community are very appreciative because of the various lifestyle diseases which many of us can do something about. So the health fair goes right up that stream of ensuring that we are in preventative medicine and planning. We want to promote what we call a health promoting school. Therefore, this health fair is very timely. We also want to thank the agencies that have come together, in particular the JAHJAH Foundation, Rastafari TV, and others, who have been very kind. It is not just a health fair, it is an awakening of our conscience, of our consciousness towards living healthy lifestyles, and it is part of the training that we have to give our teachers, students, and the wider community. The scores of persons who are here is a testimony to the fact that it is having an impact on the school population, the physical community, and the wider community. All our stakeholders, including members of the board, are very appreciative of today's gesture, and we want to thank them very much. So it is therefore with an attitude of gratitude that I speak. They are also involved in the physical plant and planning. Very shortly, we'll have more done in terms of a water harvesting project. They are looking at a school vegetable garden, which is not just a garden. It will go very well with that whole idea of a health promoting school. They have provided us with a number of rubbish bins, which are very timely also because that will help to improve the garbage disposal practices of our students and the wider community. On behalf of the school and the community, I want to make an appeal to all our Jamaicans and the diaspora and the entire world community to partner with the Haile Selassie High School as we do all aspects of our school improvement and development plan. We are looking now at the improvement of our play field. We have needs in terms of our electrical works and the roof. Right now we're thinking about a solar project and we want funding for this. We are looking at a water harvesting project so that we can have water stored for the play field which is being developed at the moment. All items that can do towards enhancing teaching and learning, and computer equipment, all equipment that has to do with the integration of technology in teaching and learning will be very welcome at this time. Our email address is haileselassiehi@yahoo.com. Our phone numbers are 7583014, and we are situated at 16 to 24 Payne Avenue, Kingston 11. So all in all, I speak today with an attitude of gratitude to thank the JAHJAH Foundation and other organizations which have put on today's health fair, which by all indications is going well, and we have 3 more hours to go. Thank you very much.
Eternal Father, bless our land, guide us with thy mighty hand, keep us free from evil powers, lead our lives, bless our leaders, great defenders, grant you wisdom from above, justice to all forever, Jamaica, land we love. Jamaica, 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 land we love. We will honor you, Haile Selassie High, a beacon of truth to follow our dreams, to keep our goals inside. You taught us how to love and show respect for everyone. You've shown us how to work in our needs. So throughout our days, we'll strive in every way to live in peace and unity. Let your standards prevail. Let your wisdom ring through throughout the world, throughout our lives, forevermore we long. Haile Selassie High, Haile Selassie High, full of our childhood dreams. Haile Selassie High, Haile Selassie High,